a new breakthrough technique for producing more hair non-surgically. A doubled approach has been created for increasing hair volume. There is now a way to feed single hairs in between your hairs non-surgically that produces instant hair volume of any degree, no matter what the hair condition. The unique concept about this technique is that in addition to providing immediate hair fullness, there is also an all-natural ingredient product that will also stimulate your own hair growth simultaneously. So this technique adds immediate hair fullness plus stimulating your own hair growth at the same time. That's the unique double approach. This technique is known to be the healthy approach to fuller hair naturally. Reason, it's the only method that leaves all of your own hair alone. In comparison to any other options, including hair extensions or a hair system or even a hair transplant, they all cause you to lose or remove a portion of your own hair to add additional hair. But now this new concept is the first and only healthy approach to fuller hair naturally, because single hairs are fed in between your own hair, which allows full access to your scalp to breathe and therefore your hair to grow freely. Plus, this method enables a hair growth treatment to be applied as an additional option to stimulate your own hair growth over a longer period. Anyone wanting more information can contact the number on screen.